Hello guys, it's me Luigi, and I think it's time for you guys can check out the tutorial how to change the sound effect and the voice. So firstly you need a game itself, Undertale module, switch sound file converter, and Audacity. Here how you do it. Install this. I will if I could put it the link, I could actually able to put it if I want. Okay, so here's a switch are actually been added. So next one, if you wanna replace it, don't do the same thing because sound effect file are actually different compared with the music because the music use a like they use this one. OGG is for the music, but for the sound effect, you can look for anything. For example, you could go to YouTube or search on Google and look for. I'm just gonna go for spring. Actually, Sonic Adventure sound effect. If you want to do that, and you can actually able to you have to search by yourself, not following me because this is a different one. I'm giving you explaining. Download. Basically, I always doing this every time. And okay, so here's our sound. Yep, here we go. So the sound effect is not using OGG because OGG is for music. But the real one is you have to use the dot web. Dot web the only one that with the sound effect. And then all you gotta do not actually have to replacing it because you actually already have it, but you don't have the sound effect in the folder because if you look at it, like right over here, guess I have some mod. It's only showing up the music. It doesn't show the sound effect because it's sound effects you have to use in here. Sound effect are actually uses for different place. Okay, so here. Okay, so you could actually able to look at anything you want, but I'm gonna go to first spring to changing spring sound effect like this. That's a different one. You can actually able to go for any sound effect if you want, or any voice like you have to looking at the the name of the game or whatever you want. Like this one because sound effect are using wave. Okay, we don't talk about this because this is already done with. Okay, this is a web file, which is a you can actually able to hear it whatever you want. There we go. That's what I need. And all you gotta do is actually put this to here if it's wrong, and then select this one, and then convert it. And then it'll actually able to be put into a music if you don't know where to put. And then all you gotta do is go to the game and then go to data.win, which you have it. Well, we don't need Audacity anymore. Well, I do need Audacity, but you don't need to do Audacity. If you already can hear it or using sound effect, perfect. You can do louder or lower for Audacity. You can actually, the Audacity is just same from the video. If I could actually able to put the link, I could actually put it for the video footage where Suki renaming some of the music, or like changing the OGG to MP3 and then upload it with the Audacity, and you could actually able to change volume whatever you want. Do it louder or lower. That's how you do it. This time it's not going to be spread because I forgot about that. And then go to Spring. That's what I do. Because I do, but you could do whatever I want. But this time, because yeah, you could see it is a WAV, and you don't need to replace or renaming it to replacing it. You just gotta have to import this and then click on this and here, and then it will work. Okay, I kind of forgot about that. I should like do this one, but sure. I'm just gonna do the same one. And then once you do, you have to save this and then replacing it, the old one with this one. Yep, this one, data. Boom. Boom. There you go. And that's how you do it. Voila. That's it. And then all you gotta do is actually just saving it. Once you do, because this is a really easy one, not that really hard. The music are same, but it uses the replacing names, using the same name and replacing it. So instead, the sound effect are using a different one. And then you can actually able to test it out by doing now since this is a Sonic game, this is a Sonic mod, by the way, because I always use it. I really love it. Okay, main window are open. Let me open up something. It's still working yet. We have to wait until the Undertale mod tool disappear. That's how it works. Don't start a game when this still loading, because it will work every time you start a game, but it's still loading. There we go. And once you do, go to this one. I'm gonna set another one. Sorry, I was just here's how. But if you do doing the zip one, it doesn't even work. It'll actually not make it sound. That'll actually make it more creepy. It doesn't make sound effect using zip or wire to replace it. Because it won't work. It won't work. Switch sound effect. Anyway, so you can check it out. Step. So see you guys